Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video you are going to see how to implement selection sort, okay, with some example and all, with an explanation and all. After that we will see execution using Java. We covered Python. Now we are going to do with what? Java. Okay, without any delay, let's start the video guys.
Guys, first we are gonna assume that the mini element, okay, the minimum element, okay, now the minimum element will be at first, okay. First element is the minimum element, and we are gonna compare it, okay. We are gonna compare it what the minimum element with all, and we will come to know which one is smallest. Then it will be what? It will be minimum element. That is nothing but less number. Okay, let it be like mini. Okay, I will take this whole thing and keep it aside, and we will tell the logic, and you will get to know that after that. Okay, don't forget about this. Okay, first in this case, what is the minimum element first? Okay, this is the minimum. Okay, what is the mini element here? As we think, mini element is the first thing, right? So 5, and after that we are going to compare it with what first. Okay, in the first stage we are going to compare 5 with the all elements. Okay, 5 will be compared with 3, 5 will be compared with 6, 4 and 1, and not only 5. Let me tell you this. Okay, first the 5 will be compared with 3. Okay, now 5 will be compared with, okay, let it be like 5 and 3. Which one is the smallest one? Already you know, right? 3 is the smallest one. Why? Because 3 is lesser than 5, so it will be considered as mini now. Okay, hope you guys understand, right? So after that particular, okay, right, after that particularly 3 will be compared with what? 6. Okay, 3 will be compared with 6, and we will get the 3 only, because as usually, you know, all of you know, 3 is lesser than 6, so it will be mini. Guys, please make a note. We are going to make it as ascending order, not for descending order. So we are going to take the mini. If you want descending order, so you can take maxi. Okay, that's up to you. In the third thing, we are going to compare with the 3 with the same what, guys? Make a guess. With 3 and 4, and pause the video and guess what may be the this thing. What may be the this thing? It will be mini only. You know why? Why? Because the 3 is less than 4, and after that I will continue, guys, because already you may get to know 3, and this time 1 will be compared. Then what will be the mini? 1. Why? Because 1 is less than 3, right? So the mini this time will be 1. So guys, after the first pass, okay, I am making it as a heading. After the first pass, our mini what we got is nothing but mini will be what? 1. That's it, guys. Simple. So what is our total array now? See, now what I told, swapping happens. Okay, swapping happens where? So that mini index will be replaced with the what? The first pass, right? So we are gonna replace that mini element with the first position. What is the first position or 0th index? 5, right? So the final array will be like this. Okay, 1, and after that 3, 6, and after that 4, and after that 1. Sorry, 5. Make a guess, guys. In this array, which elements get swapped? I will draw here. Wait. So these two get swapped. Okay, in the first iteration or first pass, 1 along with 5. So we got the array here. So don't you think we had finished the total execution or logic here? Absolutely no. Why? Because still something is exist. That is nothing but the second pass. You may ask, sir, how many passes will be there? Number of, okay, I will type here. Don't worry. Number of passes equals to number of elements in the array minus 1. That is nothing but, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, right? 5 minus 1, obviously that is nothing but 4. So 4 passes will be done. Okay. In the second pass, Okay guys, the if you carefully observe here, the first position has been filled. Okay, this has been over. We got the answer. So first pass had been already done. Okay, first position has been seated by 1. So now we are gonna check with this one. What is that? So guys, here the mini will be, what is the mini will be this time? The second pass, the second thing, that is nothing but 3. We are assuming 3. Okay, we are assuming 3, and which pass it is? Second pass. Okay, now we are gonna again we are gonna compare, which will I will compare, which thing, which two elements I will compare. Make a guess. 3 and along with 3 and what? That is nothing but 6. Which is the less one? 3. So it will be the mini this time, because 3 is less than 6. Okay, okay, pause the video and guess what may be the next 3 stages. Okay, now as usually 3 will be the mini, and 3 will be compared with what? With 4. Okay, obviously we will get 3. Why? Because if we compare 3 and 4, 3 is the smallest number. Okay, smallest number. So we are gonna assume 3 as mini. In the third thing, again 3 will be compared with 1. Sorry guys, before going to do that, don't look this one, don't look this array. I also did the mistake. Don't look for this array. So we are gonna look for this array. 3 will be compared with 6, 4, and with along with 5. So again 3 has been our mini. Okay, because 3 is less than what? 5. So guys, don't you think by this time it has been, for example, in this first pass, how many iterations or passes like inner loops will be there? Imagine the first, second passes are outer loops, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, those are nothing but inner loops. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 in first pass. In second pass, it has been 1, 2, 3, and we got mini as 3. And guess guys, what may be the final array here? It will remains the same. Why? Because there is no such element less than 3. So our assumption is correct. So 1, 3, 6, 4, and 5, right? So again, our work has not been done, and we will do the same thing. Okay, so it has been the same thing. What is our mini now? And I would like to tell again, we had done with another thing also. That is nothing but we got these two places occupied with the 1 and 3. These guys occupied the first and second position, or 0th or this thing 0th or first indexed positions. Okay, okay guys, now we are gonna check with another thing. That is nothing but the second inner loop iteration, sorry, outer loop. Okay, so what will be mini here? We had already done with these two, right? Look at here, don't look for this. Okay, these 6. Okay, we are assuming 6 is my what I can say, 6 is my um, mini. So which pass it is? Third pass. Okay, right? And okay, we will compare the 6 with what? The next element, right? So that is nothing but 4. Guys, make a pass and guess the answer. 6 and 4, which is the smallest? Obviously 4, because 4 is less than 6. So after this, in the second inner loop iteration, 4 will be compared with what? 4 will be compared with, so guys, 4 will be compared with what? With the next number. That is nothing but not in the main array, this array what we got after that. Okay, 4 will be compared with 5. Okay, 4 will be compared with 5, and we will get what? So guys, if we compare 4 and 5, 4 will be our mini. Why? Because it is less than 5. Correct, right? So guys, done. Okay, done, and we will get another array. That is nothing but, make a guess. 1 and 3 has been filled completely, and how many swaps we have? Remember guys, in each and every iteration, only once swapping will be done, not all times. If you carefully observe here, we are going to assume something, and we will compare it with all. We will get to know which is the mini, and we will swap with that position to current position. That's all. So 1, 3, and after that 4. The final mini what we got, right? Okay, let me do this. The final mini element what we got is, it will be replaced with the current position. Okay, first, second, and third. If you carefully observe here, 1, 3, 4, and after that, okay, 6 and nothing but 5. That's it. Okay, we have done with third pass also. So guys, as we discussed, how many passes will be there? How many passes will be there means we have how many passes? 4 passes. The final pass. Okay. Don't think that this is a long video like that. You may get your perfect example. Okay. Okay, guys. What will be the next mini? We are assuming that. What is the thing? 6. 6 is my last. Okay. 6 will be my minimum element. And that, which is this pass? Fourth pass. Okay, right. Sorry, guys. I texted a dollar. Fourth pass. Okay. At first iteration, we will compare that 6 with 5, and we will get what? 5 as mini element. And why? Because 6 is greater than 5. That's all right. So what is our mini at last? It is 5, and the final output. Okay, this is the final output we got. That is nothing but 1 followed by 3 followed by 4 followed by 6, sorry, followed by 5 and 6. Hope you guys understand this concept. See here, guys, again I am going to repeat this one. Nothing here. First we will take this element. Okay, whatever may be the element you are seeing now, this element will be taken in the first pass. It will be compared with the next one. Okay, after comparing, in each and every pass we are gonna check whether is there any smallest element than the position what we are searching for. Yeah, I got 1 as an smallest element, then 5. So I am going to swap those places only, 1 and 5. And in this, if you carefully observe, 3 and the next number has been compared. We got 3 for the all the times. So swapping will be not done. It will remains the same. And this thing, third pass, we are going to take this thing 6 with the next number 4. As usual, 4 will be our mini, and it will be compared with the next element also. That is nothing but 5. And we got swapped 1, 3, 4, 6, 5. And finally we have done with 6 compared with the remaining fifth element, last element, that is nothing but 5. 6 is greater than 5. Then 5 will be our mini. So it will get swapped. So guys, finally we got the array sorted in an ascending order. Hope you guys understand this concept. Let's do it practically. Okay. When it comes to VS Code, we already did in Python, as we said. Okay. So up to now, if I want to sort this array, okay, let me add some another elements also. Okay. 7 1 0. Okay, fine. So what may be the next step? So as we discussed, we need an array. Yeah, array is there, right? So we need outer for loop, right? So for that I am creating for int, please start from 0, and I should be less than what? Array dot, you can see length is there. Yeah, array dot length. So I will increment I with 1. Okay, and after that, for each and every time, don't you think we need to add that mini index, right? Minimum element. Okay, let's imagine as mini index assigned with what? Assigned with that particular, okay, element. Okay, whatever we are taking the loop now, for example, let it be like this one, second one, third one, so outer loop. So imagine that is our mini index. So what we need? We need another for loop. Okay, which kind of for loop it is? It should start from the next line, sorry, next element. So if our I is 0, then j should be 1. If our I is 1, j should be 2. So like that, what I want to say is j will start from I plus 1. Okay, and it will end up to where? Same as like array dot length, this many times I want iterate. Okay, and after that I will do the same thing. J will increment by 1. Then what is the next thing to do or perform? That is nothing but if our particular inner loop, for example, if we are taking 5, right? If we are taking 5, so it should be compared with 4 now. So the inner loop element we need to take. So again what I want to say is array of j, if it is, sorry, greater than, okay, sorry, less than If array of j is less than what? Pause the video and make a guess. As we discussed, mini index. Okay, mini index. Okay, if it is lesser than that, what? The element, the current element is lesser than the mini index, then simple, the mini index will be what? That particular j. Okay, that particular j. And guys, don't you think until here only our program got stopped? No, till we need to do one thing. So we need to get swap, right? Where is swapping? Nothing happening is in this program what we wrote. So now we are going to do that. Okay, again we are checking whether what, whether our array of I is greater than, oh, okay, sorry, yeah, greater than mini index. Okay, mini index. Then pause the video, guys, pause the video and make a guess. We are going to swap it, right? So array of, okay, I am going to initiate one temporary variable with the temp that will be equals to what? Array of I. And again I am going to take that particular array of I and replace with mini index. So and again I am going to make that mini index with what? With temp. Guys, I don't know whether I am getting if I run this code, whether I am getting the errors or not. Hope we will get errors. Okay, from there we will learn the mistakes. If not, not a problem. Okay, let's make me to run this code. Okay, yeah, I clicked on run. Here you can see. Sorry guys, before that what I want to say is we are not printing anything. Okay, just try to print something. Okay, for example, for int x in array, so I want to print no need ln, I want say the element should be sequential, so I will print that along with some spaces. Okay, let me run this. Oh, what's happening here, guys? We are getting all zeros. Can you please pause the video and guess what may be the error here? You may get the what is the error now. So as we mentioned, up to here, see, we no need to do all the for loop until the last thing, because we should stop here only. So I am making it as -1. So and again here it is fine, because we need the last element should be also in that inner loop. Okay, and after that, guys, what is the mistake here we are doing is nothing but we are um you know for each and every time we are going to assign the, what you can say, mini index with the element. Okay, with element, but here we need to do what is that means we need to just have mini index it is not a element. So why I am doing means um you can understand these are all the major mistakes we are doing. Okay, we know the logic, but we are confused with this one only, so I am going to do that. That's it. So again we no need to do that, just index we need to change. Okay, that's why I make it as mini index. Okay, if you are not getting, I will make it more understandable, so now you can understand, right? Mini index. Mini index, where are you? Yeah, here it is. So I think all of these, and again guys, see, this is a major mistakes also. So just copy this. Why? I will tell you. Guys, why this if condition came? No need of this, right? So just we need to swap it. Pakka we need to swap. No need to check for any other condition again. Okay. So what is the mistakes? What are all the mistakes we did is nothing but here we need to insert -1. Okay. Keep one thing. And here we need to play with indexes, not elements. When it comes to comparing, again, see here, we had some mistakes. Array of mini index. Okay, we are going when it comes to comparing, use this elements. When it comes to assigning anything or swapping anything, we need just indexes. Okay, so just make a try again. Okay, yeah, again mistake, 5 5 5 and what is that, 1. Okay, sorry, 0. So guys, I can't able to find also. Wait, let me check. Okay, yeah, we started with for I equals to 0, I is array of length -1, then I plus plus. So I as each and every time I am going to assign it. So I started it j is equals to +1. Yeah, j plus plus, correct. If array of j is less than array of mini index, yeah, mini index will be that particular j. Then int temp equals to array of I. Then array of I um, will be replaced with mini index. Here it is the thing, guys. When it is comes to swapping, right, we need to do like play with elements, not indexes. So now we can see again whether we are getting any issues. Yeah, finally we did it. 0 1 3 4 5 and 7. Okay, let me add some duplicates and all, whether we are getting that or not. 5 is there. Okay, again I am adding 5, and let me add 2 and 3 also. Okay, yeah, again I will run. Yeah, we are getting 0 1 2 3 3 4 5 5 7. Yeah guys, this is the thing. Please sorry for the mistakes. In wantedly I didn't do that, so this may helps you. So what are all the mistakes I had done, don't repeat them. That's it about the video, guys. Thanks for watching.
If you want to learn SQL like for a interview, some playlist is available. Yeah, I know it is tough to learn all the things, but day 1, day 2, day 3, like that, nearly 45 shorts are available in related to SQL in our channel. So if you want to see, go there and watch. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good learning, guys.